welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and videos from our channel, friends. And remember to click the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we are going to be seeing about beautiful sari, palus and awesome draping ideas. So today I'm going to be talking about what are the amazing colors used for your palus. It can be traditional and modern, and what are the amazing draping styles to use, and where can you wear different types of draping styles. And I'm also going to be talking about the designs including. So that's me, Amina. Let's get into this awesome cool video, and remember to like to our videos, and also remember to subscribe to our channel, friends. So friends, talking about what are the events where you can wear different types of draping, you can try using colorful contrast and bright color like red, blue, yellow, orange draping for a traditional wedding or a marriage, or even temple visit, or for a traditional occasion, or even for festivals. You could try going on with simple ones with a touch of modern style for your official meetings and modern events. So friends, talking about what are the amazing and the super cool draping ideas, you can try going on the front draping, leaving it a little bit loose, which is going to give you a modern and beautiful look. Or you could try going on with beautiful and awesome full draping, which is also an amazing idea. You could try going on with amazing designs such as peacock and elephants into your pallu. So friends, talking about what are the amazing and the beautiful and so cool colors to use for your amazing and your beautiful traditional pallu. You could try going on with bright and attractive colors such as red, blue, yellow, green, orange, or you could do purple. Or you could try going on with amazing and so beautiful and so cool designs like peacock and elephant, or you could try going on with other designs too. Talking about the modern look, you could try going on with simple designs, not anything special, but it's gonna be super awesome. Like you try going on with flower-based floral designs, or you could try going on with geocentric designs such as stripes, and you could try going on with pastel colors such as white, light blue, light pink, or pastel pink, or you can try going on with baby pink, or you could try using contrast dark colors too. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, guys, and if you have really liked it, then remember to like to our channel, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, you can purchase multiples of these amazing and super beautiful sarees by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can personalize on, and they're absolutely amazing and super cool, and they're also attractive. And remember to follow our channel, Fashion Trends. So bye friends.